Today class on vitamins. Today class on vitamins. Vitamin. Now I first vitamin B9. B9. Its chemical name is folic acid. Folic acid. Folic acid. Chemical name of vitamin B9. Now vitamin B9 is an essential for the production of the red blood cells. Vitamin B9 is an essential for the production of red blood cells. Now next question from vitamin B9. Deficiency disease. Megaloblastic anemia. In this condition red blood cells are larger than normal. Deficiency disease of vitamin B9, megaloblastic anemia. In this condition, red blood cells are very larger than normal. It means increase of red blood cells in size. Now food sources of vitamin B9. Leafy vegetables, fruits, egg, peanuts, beans are the food sources of vitamin B9. B9 folic acid. Now next question from vitamin B12. Its chemical name is cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B9, its chemical name is cyanocobalamin. Deficiency disease of vitamin B12. Pernicious anemia. It means pernicious anemia. In this condition, a deficiency of the red blood cells, through a lack of vitamin B12. Deficiency disease, pernicious anemia, म्हणजे a deficiency of red blood cells, lack of vitamin B12. Now next question from vitamin. Food sources vitamin B12. Its food sources meat and other animals product. The food sources of vitamin B9, and its chemical name is a cyanocobalamin. Its chemical name. Now vitamin B12, it contains a metal cobalt. Yeah, you can also call cobalt metal is found in vitamin B12. Cobalt metal is found in vitamin B12. It contains a metal cobalt. Now vitamin B12 is also called for vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 it also called complex vitamins, complex B vitamins. Complex B vitamins. Complex B vitamins. Complex B vitamins. Complex B vitamin composed of 8 vitamins. Is composed of 8 vitamins. Vitamin 2 is also called B complex vitamins. Complex B vitamins is composed of 8 vitamins such as vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 chemical name is thymine. Vitamin B2 is chemical name riboflavin. Vitamin B3 is chemical name niacin. Vitamin B5 its chemical name is pantothenic acid. Vitamin B6 its chemical name is pyridoxine acid. Vitamin B7 it's biotin. Vitamin B9 it's called folic acid. Vitamin B12 is called the cyanocobalamin. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are the B complex vitamins. Now next question on vitamins. vitamin C. Its chemical name is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. Chemical name. Chemical name of vitamin C. Deficiency disease. Deficiency disease. Scurvy. 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 Under scurvy, bleeding gums, losing teeth, and pain in muscles. Deficiency disease of vitamin B-C. Vitamin C. Deficiency disease vitamin C. Scurvy, bleeding gums, and vitamin gums, losing teeth, and pain in muscles. Now, food sources of vitamin C. Food sources: citrus fruits, including orange, lemon, strawberry, orange, lemon, strawberry, unripe mango, and vegetables, tomato are content vitamin C. The food source are also called the food sources of vitamin C. Citrus fruits, including orange, lemon, strawberry, unripe mango, and vegetables, including tomato. Now, next question is related to vitamin C. Vitamin C can be destroyed. Vitamin C can be destroyed by heat and light. Means heat cooking. Vitamin C can be destroyed by heat and light. Heat and light. Heat cooking can be destroyed. Now, another question from vitamin C. Orange is the food sources of vitamin C. Now, some important question on orange. Exam point of view. The color of orange due to the pigment carotene. The color of orange due to the pigment carotene. Now, Another question from Orange. Orange City. Orange City. Nagpur is known. Nagpur city of Maharashtra is known as the Orange City. Orange City. Orange City. Nagpur of Maharashtra is known as Orange City. Now another question from here. Nagpur is the winter capital. Nagpur is the winter capital of Maharashtra. Nagpur is the winter capital of Maharashtra. Now Orange City of Nagpur. Nagpur, also known as the tiger capital of India. Nagpur, also known as the tiger capital of India. Now, food sources of vitamin C. Strawberry. Mahabaleshwar in Mahabaleshwar city in Satara district. Of Maharashtra. Famous for strawberry. And strawberry is a vitamin C. Vitamin C is found in strawberry. Now, vitamin C. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Indian Amla, Indian gooseberry is a rich source of vitamin C. Amla, Indian gooseberry is a rich source of vitamin C. Now, food sources of vitamin C. Tomato. The color of tomato is red due to presence of carotene as called lycopene. Tomato content vitamin C. Yeah, vitamin C is found in tomato. The color of tomato is red. The color of tomato is red due to presence of carotene, as called lycopene. Next. Now next question on vitamins. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. Its chemical name is calciferol. Calciferol. Chemical name of vitamin D. Calciferol. Deficiency disease. Rickets in children. It's soft, weak and soft bones. Rickets disease related to bones, weak and soft bones. Rickets. Now, osteomalacia in adults, weak and soft bones. Osteomalacia in adults, weak and soft bones. Now question from here. We hear bones. Question related bones. Exam point of view. Bones. Bones. The study of bone as called bones. Study of bones is called osteology. Osteology is the study of bones or bone. Osteology. Question from here. Bone. The femur bone or also called thigh bone. Is the longest bones in the human body. And the smallest bones in the body is stapes. It is located in middle of ear. Stapes is the smallest bone and femur thigh bone is the longest bone of the body. Now, vitamin D is produced. Vitamin D is produced in the body in the human body, in the morning, in the morning sunlight, in the morning sunlight. Vitamin D is produced in the human body in the morning sunlight. Now, next question from vitamin D. Food sources of vitamin D. Milk, egg, and meat. Now, question from here, milk. Another milk. Milk is good source of calcium, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. Milk is a good source of calcium, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. And milk is essential for the bones. And the source of milk is the source of vitamin D, food source. Milk is not considered a balanced diet nowadays because of the absence, I can write here, absence of vitamin C and iron. Milk is not considered as balanced diet nowadays because of the absence, I can write here, absence of vitamin C and iron. Vitamin C and iron is not found in milk. Milk is the food source of vitamin D. Now, next question from vitamin D related milk. The pH value of milk is 6.4 to 6.7. The pH value of milk is 6.4 to 6.7. The pH value. Now, lactometer instrument. The purity of milk is tested by lactometer. The purity of milk is tested by lactometer. Now, milk. White revolution revolution is related to white revolution is related to milk production. Milk production. Milk production. Dr. Varghese Kurian is known as the father of white revolution. Father of white revolution. Father of white revolution. Now next question from milk. National Milk Day. National Milk Day of India. National Milk Day of India on 26th November. 26th November. We celebrated national, N for national, M for milk, D for day. National Milk Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Varghese Kurian. Now, World Milk Day. We also said World Milk Day. World Milk Day on 1st June. 1st June we celebrated World Milk Day. 1st June. World Milk Day. Now, next question on vitamin D. Egg. Egg is the food source of vitamin D. Now, egg. Silver revolution is related to production of egg. Silver revolution was started by the former Prime Minister of India, Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi started Silver Revolution. Now she is known as the mother of egg revolution. She is known the mother of egg revolution. Now, egg The study of egg. The study of egg is called oology. OOLOZY. Oology. The study of egg. The study of egg is called oology. 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 Now next question. Next question on vitamins. Now after vitamin D, vitamin E. Vitamin E. Its chemical name is tocopherol. Tocopherol. Chemical name of vitamin E. Vitamin E. Now deficiency disease. Sterility. Deficiency disease of vitamin E, including in pregnancy problem, and muscle pain. The deficiency disease of vitamin E. Now food sources of vitamin E. Leafy vegetables, almonds, sunflower seeds, peanuts, spinach are the food sources of vitamin E. Leafy vegetables, almonds, sunflower seeds, peanuts and spinach are the food sources of vitamin E. Now vitamin E is also called as beauty vitamin. Vitamin E is also called as beauty vitamin because vitamin E helps our skin youthful and nourished. Because vitamin E is called the beauty vitamin because vitamin E helps our skin youthful and nourished. Now next question on vitamins. Vitamin K. Its chemical name is phyloquinine. Phyloquinine is the chemical name of vitamin K. chemical name. Deficiency disease. Deficiency disease. Deficiency disease. Hemorrhage. Which means hemorrhage. Hemorrhage. H-E-M-O-R-R-H-E-G. Hemorrhage. Hemorrhage is the medical term. Milligram for bleeding. For bleeding. It is also called non-clotting of blood. Vitamin K. Vitamin K helps to make various protein that are needed for blood clotting. The factors. Another question related vitamin K. The factors of blood clotting. As first, A. Fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is a blood protein. Is a blood clotting protein. It is produced in the liver. Now, second factors are thrombin. Thrombin is an enzyme in blood plasma. Thrombin converts 'fibrinogen' into fibrin, and fibrin is the main component main component of blood clotting. Blood clotting. Now some related on blood related question. The study of blood is called hematology. The study of blood is called hematology. Now, hemophilia. Hemophilia is a rare genetic disorder. Genetic disorder in which blood does not clot. Hemophilia disease. In this disease, blood does not clot. Hemophilia is a rare genetic disorder in which blood does not clot. Hemophilia. World Hemophilia Day. World Hemophilia Day we celebrated on 17th April. World Hemophilia Day on 17th April. Now next related question on blood. Leukemia. Leukemia is a blood cancer. Leukemia is a blood cancer caused by rise in the number of white blood cells. Leukemia is a blood cancer caused by a rise in number of white blood cells. WBC. White blood cells. It is the one cause of leukemia, of blood cancer, of increase or rise the number of white blood cells. That is all are from vitamin chapters.